Hey guys, if you're a blush freak just like me and you love blushes in peach, pink, coral, mauve, basically every shade, then you have clicked at a right video. Hey guys, this is Payal. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're an old subscriber, then thanks a lot for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 current blushes. Remember, it's top 5 current because I have a lot of blushes and I am a freak when it comes to blushes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the very first one is the one which I'm wearing presently, of course with a highlighter, and this one is the Body Shop Bubblegum blush. What am I talking? Yeah, the shade 05. Now if I'll talk about this shade, this is a cool tone pink which I absolutely love. The formula is so smooth, it blends easily into your skin, and I hope that's the swatch which is visible, right? And it's very pretty cool tone pink. If you are a person who loves cool tone pink, must try this. It's and the best thing about the formula is that it blends so easily into your skin. You can see that and looks very natural. Like तो कहते हैं ना वैसे थप्पड़ मार के से फ्लशी पिंक हो जाता है, वैसा वाला पिंक आता है. Now we'll talk about the second one, which is my current favorite. This one is for the people who loves coral kind of a blush, which I love, of course, for summer. And this is Pack Studio blusher in the shade 019. I'm little disappointed with pack. Like यार नाम रख लो कुछ छोटे मोटे, अच्छा लगता है, याद रखने में भी easy होता है. And that's my phone, excuse me. Yeah, so as I was saying that, as you guys can see, I have pretty much hit the dent. It's almost there because I absolutely love this color. Let me just swatch it for you. Again, a great formula. If you're looking for a powder blushes, must try pack because they have beautiful formula. And here is the swatch. As you guys can see, it's a bright coral color, but of course you put a very little amount and it blends very easily, so it looks very natural, which I'm gonna do right now. And you guys can see it looks so beautiful. So that's Pack 019. Now coming towards my third favorite blush, which is from the brand L'Oreal. L'Oreal has amazing blush colors, and recently they have come up with 3, and I own all 3, but one has made it to my top 5 list. And this one is for the people who love, simple, like who loves like very light peach toned blushes. This is meant for those people. The shade, as I said, is 10 Play With Me. I'll just swatch this again. Now it has a little bit of बहुत refined glitter है जो दिखता नहीं है, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता है it's there. I guess that's the place where I can swatch. Can you see? This is the shade which is very less visible, but then it looks very healthy on your skin, and it's a very beautiful peach. Remember, all the shades which I'm swatching today are matte. You know what happens is if you have a texture on your skin and you use a blush which has shimmer, it highlights those textures. So in case you have a texture, try to avoid shimmery blushes, opt for the ones which are matte. Now coming towards the fourth one, which is from the brand Sugar. Now Sugar has amazing products, guys. Let it be their highlighter, eyeliner, anything, whatever I've tried so far, I love it. And this one is their Mauve Marble blush. I'll just swatch this again. A great formula, beautiful color. I hope that's visible. And now it states that it's mauve. I would rather say it's like dusty rose color. I'll just swatch it over here. As you guys can see, mauve बहुत कम है, but dusty rose color ज़्यादा prominency है, and it blends very beautifully. That's how it looks once it's blended onto your skin. Amazing color, especially for those days, जब winter hit करता है, autumn आता है. This is amazing color. Now coming towards the last one, which is from the brand MyGlamm, and this one is the K.Play Raspberry Blush. Again, a beautiful color. This is frozen raspberry. Beautiful color. Especially whenever I think of this color, it reminds me of winter. I don't know why. And the best thing is the fragrance. They have amazing fragrance. Like मन कहते हैं खा लूँ ऐसा वाला fragrance है. And again, a great formula, easy to blend. It's little like it comes as a poppy color, but then again you can blend it, and that's how it looks. It's like little orangish, pinkish kind of a color. Very beautiful, which can go for summer, winter, anytime. Amazing color. So that's it with my top 5 current favorite blushes. Let me know which is your favorite blush in the comments section. So in case I don't have it, I'll hop online and order it. And if you want me to make any other top 5 video, just let me know in the comments section. It will be really, really helpful. In case if you're not following me on social media, what are you doing, guys? Talk me there. Let's chat over there. DM karo, message karo, reply. I'll just comment and everything I will do it over there. So yeah, and at the last I'll say take care and stay pretty. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider, because it really helps my channel.